right, we're going to play a game of good old-fashioned bingo here. So bingo, you can win horizontally, diagonally, or vertically. And this game will start by you and your opponent deciding where you want to place your chip. Where do you want to begin? So let's just say I decided I'm going to start right here. I'm rolling my six-face die. So I'll go ahead and roll that out. And I rolled a 3. And I can go either way. I could go 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go down this way, and I'm going to solve this one. So I don't need to cut this shape at all. This is just base times height. 9 times 4 is 36, so 36 units squared. That's what the UN stands for in here. So I'm going to look for a 36 UN squared. If I saw it in here twice, I can only cover it once for each time I roll on that. I see it here, and I'm going to put an X. Okay, I'm going to be the X's in here. Now my opponent is going to roll, and my opponent just rolled a 2. They decided that they were going to start over here, and they were going to go down to here, to 2. So they'd have to cut this shape. It would make a lot of sense to cut it right like this, giving me rectangles and squares, in this case just rectangles. Base times height, I know this is 15 up here, and then base times height, and I know this is 16. Bringing those two values together, 16 and 15, makes 31 UN squared. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to look for a 31 UN squared on my board. Hopefully I see that. There it is. All right, so my opponent is O. And remember, I was right here. So in a, or O here, I'm going to roll again. I rolled out a 2. I could go up 2 or I could go down 2. Oh, I'm going to go here. Base times height, 72 UN squared. I see that. That's looks like the only one. And you'd continue to play like this, okay? Now, these free spaces, a little different than the regular game of bingo. Those can only be used once a value or an area value has been taken. So for instance, since 72 is gone, if I landed on a free spot, I could then use that, but only if the original value is gone. And I can use, in this case, any of the 4 that best fits my game board and my chance to win. The winner, of course, is the person that gets 5 in a row diagonally, which is like this, 5 in a row horizontally, which is side to side, or 5 in a row vertically, which is up and down. Have fun playing.